Hi guys, and welcome back. Today we're doing part 2 of my Ratchet and Clank series, Tools of Destruction. So let's get straight to the video, and I hope you enjoy. So guys, picking up from where we last left off, we landed in this planet. I can't remember what it's called, but we landed in it. So let's get straight into it and see how far I can get in this episode. I can't remember where to go on this. Huh? Oh, okay. That makes it... Whoa. Come on. I don't think I can beat these guys with the acid gun I've got, because they produce acid, so... It makes sense. These guys are like them little fucking robots with the electrical things from the last episode. I hate them. I leveled up, I think. I'm not quite sure. I think I go this way. Oh my god, go away. Does it kill him? Yeah, it does. Camera angle. Die, bitch. Let's go. Wait, how do I do this? Hold R2. Oh, that helps. What the? I can't remember these guys. Ooh, okay. This could be fun. Ow! Shot in midair. Nice centipede looking fat thing. Come on. Die, you motherfucker. Come on. Die. Bingo. Oh, go away. That means you as well. I don't really want to go for it because it looks like it's dangerous. How did that not hurt you? Oh, okay. Oh, it leveled up. I didn't know it leveled up on its own. I hate this bit. Whee. Just get some extra coins, buy ammo and stuff, I think, when we see one of them guys. Oh, I can throw a wrench? That's so cool. I did not know that. Yeah. Ow, it's not helping me though. This does though. Whoa, it's red stuff now. I'm not sure if it was red stuff before, but it is now. Okay, it killed the one that was further away than the one I was aiming at. Game logic for you. Oh shit. Die. Can't be asked. Let's go. Jump, jump, jump. Mystery box. I don't know what that does. Well, okay. Ooh. That's handy. Let's go. Dead, motherfucker. I want to know how long it lasts. Oh, okay, that long. This does not look fun. Oh, okay, I was right. Does not look fun. Can't remember to kill these things. I just gotta keep shooting ever. Whoa, it comes for you. Oh my god, what the fuck are they? Die. Die. Ha. Ow! Whoa, I thought it was falling. And then it fell. Let's go. Does it just automatically fire at it? Because if it does, that'd be helpful! Guys, I think after I kill this, I'm going to leave this episode here, because it's sort of a mini boss, I think. Wait. Let me quick select gun. Ah, shit! Stop drop these lightning bolt things. They're not helping me. It spits things. Ow! One of them hit me. Kill it. Kill it. I'm out of ammo. Really? Yay! And it explodes, and I get purple things from it. No, they went in the... Ooh, I'm gonna collect these. And... that is it. Shut up. Shut up. Done. I'm going to leave this video here, guys. So guys, that was my video on Ratchet, second part on Ratchet and Clank Tools of Destruction. I hope you enjoyed it. And that was only a little bit, but the like mini boss, I'm guessing. I think if I can remember, there's a bigger one of them, but there's more of them to do. Came up a little bit early, and I thought, if I defeat him, I'll leave it here. And if you're thinking that, I know I'm in the bathroom. The bath. If you're thinking that I'm sat down, I am not on the toilet. I'm on a chair. The toilet is there. Can you see it? Yeah. But I'm doing it there because girlfriend's in the room watching TV, and it'll pick up on there and she'll just get annoyed that I'm talking over it. So basically just doing my outro in here. So not much else to say, but I really hope you enjoyed that video. I'm liking this series as well. Oh god, my arm's falling off the chair. The camera's going wavy all about. I can't get my words out as well, guys. But I hope you enjoy this series as well, because I'm having fun playing it. It brings back good memories when I first got the PS3 ages ago. I think it was a good 6 years ago. So when I was like 11, that was one of the first games I ever played, and I really liked it. But that's about it, really, guys. It's just bringing back good memories, but that's really about it, guys. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, feel free. Outro, guys. Need to pick up a new one. Give me suggestions now. But sorry, that was a bit rapid and on you, but yeah, basically, just if you like that video, please give it a thumbs up, and like and thumbs up, as it really helps me out, and subscribe, because that helps me out also. But if you didn't like it, give it a dislike and tell me why in the comments or on Twitter. But if you dislike it, please tell me why. Don't just dislike it and then leave, because that frustrates me and it's not really helpful. Or if you didn't dislike and you liked it and you subscribed, then and you think I can do any improvers, just point me in that direction and I will hopefully improve for the future. But other than that, guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next